Hi there, I'm G and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. If you're a seafood lover, you're in for a real treat today because we're sharing an irresistible recipe for popcorn shrimp. These bite-sized morsels of tender succulent shrimp coated in crispy crunchy batter are the ultimate snack or appetizer for any occasion. Whether you're having a party, craving a quick snack, or just in the mood for some delicious seafood, this recipe is going to be one you won't want to miss. So grab a plate, get comfortable, and let's get cooking. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for more recipes from us. So let's start with patting the shrimp dry with paper towels. Then grab a bowl and add all-purpose flour into it. In a second shallow bowl, add 2 large eggs, milk, and 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. Then whisk all of that together. In a third shallow bowl, whisk together the breadcrumbs and the remaining 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. Now combine the 3 bowls of ingredients with your shrimp in a separate 4th bowl. Coat the shrimp in flour and then the egg mixture. And then make sure to let the excess egg mixture drip off before transferring the shrimp to the seasoned breadcrumbs. Toss to coat thoroughly. Then heat canola or vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot or a medium-high heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. At this point, you can also line a baking sheet with paper towels. Fry the shrimp until golden brown, which should take about 2 to 4 minutes. Drain and place on the prepared baking sheet. Then serve warm with your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. If you want the full recipe, check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're looking for more Cozymeal recipes, be sure to check out our other videos. See you again soon.